Hello and welcome. If you've ever seen Carrier Hub on your Android phone and wondered what it is, here's the quick breakdown. Carrier Hub is an app developed by Sprint, now part of T-Mobile, that usually comes pre-installed or gets prompted to download after a factory reset. Its main job is to help your phone connect to carrier features like voice over Wi-Fi, voice LTE, and network service optimization. It also lets carriers troubleshoot issues remotely, push updates, and enable network settings that improve your overall connectivity. The app itself doesn't harm your phone, but many users notice it running in the background or requesting permissions, which can drain battery or use data. If you don't need those advanced carrier services, you can usually disable or force stop it in your settings, but uninstalling isn't always possible since it's tied to your network. So in short, Carrier Hub is not spyware. It's a carrier service app required for certain T-Mobile or Sprint features. If it bothers you, you can turn off its notifications, but it's safe to keep installed. And that would be all for today's video. Thanks for watching and I'll see you on the next one.